Yo, what's up guys, Ryan McGinn here. Today I'm gonna go inside McDonald's and I'm gonna take some GoPro inspiration photos for you of me inside McDonald's doing stuff. I'm bringing along my bite mount, GoPro vertical frame, and then my trusty GoPro little shorty extension tripod. Let's go see what I can get taking pictures inside McDonald's. All right, so the first picture I'm gonna try to take is a standing one of me ordering. I don't know how this is gonna come out, but hopefully it's good. Let's see what happens. All right, so I don't really think that one turned out that well because it was kind of a confined space up there. I'll look when I sit down, but right now I'm gonna take a picture of me getting iced tea from different angles. Always gotta get the weird angles. Hopefully that looks cool. I think it might. Another angle, getting the weird angles with the tray. So one thing you want to do is, when you're taking these, it's taking a picture every half second when you're using the time-lapse setting. So you want to kind of move your head a little bit, kind of like shift your body because you don't know what angle is going to be your best angle when you look at the editing. All right, so now I'm going to take out the GoPro mouth mount. I'm going to take some POV style shots. These are really good for engagement on Instagram. People just tend to love these. So I'm going to go ahead and switch from this mount to this mount and take some pictures. These little high torque thumb screws are good. They're quicker. It's always good to get like shoes and other items in your photo. That way when you post it on Instagram, you can tag the brands and they might share your photo. Probably just gonna throw this away. I'd rather go to Chipotle. I'm gonna take a picture of me like about to eat the burger. But you gotta remember, like, you wanna keep everything around it in the background because the GoPro has the wide lens. So you wanna keep everything as tidy as you can. So the composition of the photo looks pretty good. So we got the tray straight. You're probably gonna see Savannah who's holding my camera in this. So that's gonna add a different dimension as well, so. We'll see if we got anything. I'm not drunk enough to eat a double cheeseburger right now, so I'm gonna throw this away. All right, so now I'm gonna take the thumbnail picture for this video. So I'm gonna do a POV shot of the sign with holding the drink. And I had to switch to the vertical or the horizontal mount because this is for YouTube. Always know where, you know, the aspect ratios of what you're posting. It's a good tip, don't forget that. Don't get hit by any cars. The reason I'm doing these is because I want to inspire you guys to utilize locations that are around you to take cool photos like what we did here. You know, I'm just using a McDonald's. I'm assuming where you live you have a McDonald's. Just like the last one I did, we were in Walmart, we were in a dirt lot. I'm gonna keep doing these to keep providing you guys inspiration to kind of utilize your GoPro in different scenarios and creative places. You don't always have to go to the Maldives or Bora Bora or have some epic travel locations where everybody kind of thinks that you need to use a GoPro. You can use this shit all over your town and take some pretty cool photos. If I may be biased because they're my photos, but you take some pretty cool stuff. With that said, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. New videos every single week. Hit the bell icon so you get notified, and I will see you guys in the next video.